disembark, meaning to get off a ship, plane, or vehicle. Synonyms: get off, exit, alight. Example: the passengers disembarked as soon as the plane landed. Contravening, meaning acting against the rule, law, or order. Synonyms: violating, breaking, opposing. Example: he was arrested for contravening the new traffic regulations. Intercepted, meaning stopped or caught before reaching the destination. Synonyms: blocked, seized, stopped. Example: the police intercepted the smuggler's car on the highway. Lenient, meaning not strict, showing mercy. Synonyms: merciful, gentle, forgiving. Example: the teacher was lenient with the students during the test. Trek, meaning a long and difficult journey. Synonyms: journey, hike, expedition. Example: they started their trek through the mountains early in the morning. Stripped, meaning remove clothes or remove something completely. Synonyms: deprived, removed, undressed. Example: the storm stripped the trees of all their leaves. Spate, meaning a large number of things happening quickly. Synonyms: flood, wave, outbreak. Example: the city faced a spate of robberies last month. Insurgency, meaning a rebellion or uprising against authority. Synonyms: rebellion, revolt, uprising. Example: the government increased forces to control the insurgency. Bounties, meaning rewards or payments for capturing someone. Synonyms: rewards, prizes, payments. Example: the authorities announced bounties on the wanted criminals. Ordeal, meaning a very painful or difficult experience. Synonyms: trial, suffering, hardship. Example: surviving the accident was a terrible ordeal for him.